What up, boo-boo? I know. Life's so rough for you. Let's go. Uh-huh. Graceful. Oh, you're going the wrong way, bud. Buddy. Other way. Uh-huh. What up, everybody? So it is June 20th, I believe. So naturally, it's about time for me to start wondering where the deer are. Don't, you're throwing stuff on the truck. Jerk. So we've got one game camera left. So we're gonna go put it out today. Whoa! Chipmunk. So chipmunk. So the spot we're going to, last year I walked in here before daylight, and actually just as I crested this little hill here, there was a deer standing on the other side, but it was still too dark and about 10 minutes before legal shooting light. So I ultimately ended up sitting there and watching it until it wandered off. So that happens. But it's got me thinking, I want to see how many deer actually come through this area. I mean, obviously something's happened here. So me and Puppy are going to go for a walk in the woods until we find a spot that we feel is good enough to put a camera up in. No, I don't think that's a rib. We're seeing several spots where the leaves have been kicked back, but I want more of like a travel area. I don't want the deer to have just happened to have been there and dug. I want one that makes it obvious the deer walk it quite a bit. I mean, there's definitely some deer tracks here, though. Come on, keep going. I don't think he realizes I dropped the leash. He's just sitting there waiting. Oh well. Nope, he noticed. Sit. No, sit all the way. Sit. Thor. Stay. Good boy. Alright, so seems to be a lot of something going on in this area. Probably nothing useful, but I think this is where we're going to put this camera. Mostly because he's fighting me. He already wants to go back to the truck. He started walking up mountains. Didn't take long. Now, where do I want to put it? This birch will probably do it. Good news is, that black camera will blend right in with that white birch. Hey, boo-boo. Hey. So this is good to go. It's probably good to go. We're on it. Ready to go back to the truck, boo-boo? We got 2 more cameras to check before the day's over. Well, unfortunately, we're at where our second camera should be. Go, up. And it's not here. Should have been on a tree back there. Someone else must have wanted it more. Happens. Ain't nothing you can really do about it. Side effect of putting cameras on state land. Anybody can go there, and when anyone can go there, anybody can steal it. Oh well, we got 2 more cameras. We'll go check them. There you go. Cross. Go over. Go. What are you looking at? There's nothing over there. Bro, come on. Jeez, dog. You kill me sometimes. Well, here we are going into number 3. Dog, you've peed everywhere we've gone. Oh, saw a chipmunk. This might be his way of telling me that we need to do some chipmunk hunting. What do you guys think? Should I do another chipmunk hunting video for the dog? He really loves it. Really. This looks like this one's here. Bad news. The trail they used to use doesn't look like it's getting used anymore. Come on, go forward. Let's see what we got for pictures. Can't see it with my glasses on. 39 videos even. Huh. Maybe they're using it more than I was thinking.